Finally purchased our first load of lumber. Time to get framing. I ended up building the walls on the ground, putting the plywood on my walls. I made them between 8 and 10 foot sections, and they were so heavy I had to end up building a boom so I could lift the walls up. It was so windy, the walls kept trying to turn to each side. Later, I ended up putting a 2x4 and tried to stabilize the wall and keep them straight. But literally, I would back the tractor back and forth and just try to line the walls up with the floor. It turned out to be a nightmare, just getting on and off the tractor, trying to line the walls up. But I ended up eventually getting it and bracing the walls with some 2x4s. And I found a few other tricks to just try to keep the walls straight. After I finally got the walls where I wanted them, I started to anchor the walls down to the concrete. I used 5/8 red heads and drilled down into the concrete in order to secure them. After a little bit, I got the hang of it and I started placing wall after wall till within a day or so, I had 3 walls up, braced, plumbed, and ready to go. Follow us along on our TikTok channel on Hayes Family Farm. Just scan the QR code to take you there. For now, God bless.